I love growing all types of flowers that do well in my desert garden, and I've done my fair share of preserving, drying, and pressing flowers in bloom. The makers of this wooden flower press reached out to see if I'd like to try their 10-layer 11 by 11 inch flower press. I've used many types of presses through the years, and I was excited to try this one. It comes with everything you need to press a good amount of flowers, a set of useful tools, and a handy carrying bag. For my test run, I picked a variety of my freshest blooms, including snapdragons, calendula, lavender, and even thicker flowers like hollyhock and climbing tea roses. I layered them between the blotting paper and cardboard and arranged them with space in between each one. It was easy to assemble and thread the screws through the outer wooden plates. It generally takes about 7 to 10 days for these types of flowers to dry. Once it was time, I carefully removed each flower one by one. It's normal that not every flower makes it through the pressing process, but most of them came out perfectly dried, pressed, and preserved. So if you're looking for a well-made quality press to add to your preserving process, or if you want to dip your toes into pressing flowers, check this one out. They have several sizes to choose from. I hope this overview was helpful. Thanks for watching.